Well, good afternoon. It's March 26th. Last week, it was in the 40s and the 50s, and there wasn't any snow on the ground. But this weekend, 2-day total, 30 inches of snow. Kind of put the kibosh on my project. We're at the casa. We're not at Jose's garage. We're at Jose's shop. This morning I had to shovel off the roof and clear the ice jam that was on the eaves. We have rain coming for the next 3 or 4 days, so we wanted to get the weight off the casa. I don't want to have the roof cave in. Here's Hunter. Hunter likes the snow, although she's a small chocolate Labrador Retriever, and about 30 inches of snow buries her. So we have to get the old snowshoes on and make her some paths so she can go poopy and pee. That's real important. Isn't it, buddy? Hunter, what do you think? What do you think of all this snow? Huh? What you thinking? Huh? What you doing, girl? Checking things out. Are you? You checking things out? Huh? Are you? Huh? Fortunately, on the back side of the roof, it all came down. Probably because the pitch is greater than the front. Oh, the favorite pastime, rolling in the snow. Roll? Oh, doesn't that feel good? Gonna roll? Gonna roll some more? Huh? What is it? What do you smell? Get right in there. Roll right over. Well, I'm still working on the power steering gear unit. I've been having the pitman arm soaking in deep creep for a number of days now, and I'm gonna have to figure out. I don't have a bearing puller with me here, so I'm gonna have to figure something out. And I'm still working on the blower motor assembly, but I'd like to have some weather I can paint, but I can't paint in 40-degree weather. It just doesn't come out very well. Oh, what a mess in here. Certainly needs some spring cleaning. Just don't know where I'm going to put everything. Probably if I organize it, it will make things a little bit better. But when you live out in the woods, in the middle of Maine, you got to be a virtual hardware store. Unless you want to make a lot of trips to the hardware store. What are you going to do? Huh? You sniffing? What, you got a stick? You got a stick? Huh? You got a stick, girl? You gonna bring it here? Get it. Got him? What you hear?